Roblox is stealing millions of jobs from developers. Hey guys, TSL here and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be discussing the thing we have always feared, Roblox. No, not that Roblox, this Roblox. That's right, Roblox is actually making an AI that can program entire games. What does that mean for us developers and programmers? Well, no one knows for sure, but it definitely is not looking good. AI has been a topic of discussion for developers for years now, not only on Roblox but just in general. Now with other programming languages outside of Roblox, AI is never going to replace developers because of the infinite possibilities. But on Roblox, when the company themselves have made AI that knows everything the platform has to offer, well, it's plenty more possible. Before we get further into what I think about it, let's hear what some of you in the community have had to say. This has definitely taken jobs away from the experienced developers. If everyone becomes a developer, there will be no more developers. This won't replace talented devs anytime soon. This will just create infinite competition at the entry level, as generative AI currently needs for you to understand what you're asking for. He has a really good point here. Right now, these AIs are at a level where you generally need to know specific terms and give very detailed instructions on what you are looking for in order to get a desired output. Now, as you guys saw, your feelings were all over the place. A lot of programmers are clearly mad about this, since their years of work and learning can soon be replaced, even if only for the little things. The little commissions and money-making hustles can have a big impact and add up. Now, I'm not saying this is a bad thing, but it's definitely an interesting one. But many of you guys actually do like this idea as well because, well, it can save you time, can save you money, and can just save you from doing all the little things. Me personally, as a developer who has spent the last almost 3 years learning and teaching people how to program on Roblox, this definitely makes me a little less motivated. Once this thing releases, y'all won't need me anymore. Developers will make less money, that's for sure. A lot of copycat games are sure to come, more than ever before. However, the new AI could be a helpful tool when creating videos for you guys. We can make some hopefully cool challenge videos against the AI. Let me know if you'd like to see that, and also let me know what I should do once it releases. The last thing I'd like to go over is something Roblox mentioned in their blog. By enabling third-party AI creation services to plug directly into Roblox, likely as a creation experience, we provide a mechanism for their unique creations to be directly offered to Roblox users. For example, if you develop an AI that builds the most expressive superhero characters based on a combination of text prompts, graphical cues, and photo examples, that capability is something you should be able to offer directly to Roblox users who want an incredible superhero avatar. We envision the community as a force multiplier for generative AI, creating an ecosystem that our creators and users can leverage to create content and tools more effectively. This, on the other hand, can save it all. This truly has potential for endless creative creations for everyone to use. Think about this like next-gen plugins. This can be a new way for developers to earn, as well as offering some quality of life improvements for free if the developers are generous. Anyways, this last part has been a really good idea in my opinion, because this can really help seasoned developers actually care about this new AI and not feel like Roblox is trying to replace them. So what do you guys think? Is this the start of a new era or the end as a whole for developers? I'll let you decide. I'm TSL, and that's my take on the new Roblox generative AI update.